Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with J Dolls UK with Dolls Gone Goth. And what we're doing is the Goth Days of Summer. And Gothea has a very, very simple dress because it's hot. Not even buttons were included, although I wanted to put skulls down the front. But I made it as simple and light as possible and still a little different and gothy. She has her umbrella, but with her hair that I put up for her to be cooler, it was a little top heavy, and I want to be careful of these legs. The fun thing about Dolls Gone Goth is we always put out a challenge. And it is so much fun to see what each of you do with the challenge that we put out. And I'm going to be looking at every video. Thank you so much for participating. I love Dolls Gone Goth. Well, I love my Gothea Blythe. I just do. And she has a friend coming soon, and I can't wait to show you. I was hoping she would be here for this video, but she's not. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.